Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video we are going to show you how to make roasted red pepper hummus. Okay, so I'm going to begin by adding in 1/3 cup of tahini into the blender. Okay, so this is 4 tablespoons worth of the chickpea canned water. So when you open the chickpeas, there'll be canned water. Take that out, that's 4 tablespoons worth. That goes inside, it really helps with the taste. Goes inside of the tahini. Now this glass over here has the juice of 1 full lemon. That goes inside. Very delicious, trust me when it comes to the end result. Now these are 3 garlic cloves, these go inside. Now in goes 2 tablespoons worth of extra virgin olive oil. So that's 1 tablespoon, and then this is the second one that goes inside. So 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds goes inside. Then some salt to taste, that goes inside. Now we're just gonna give this a grind, okay? And we're just gonna add further ingredients after we've grinded this. So just bear with us. Okay, so that's been grinded now. It's blended well. So now we're going to move on to the next steps. Now we have 1 tin of chickpeas over here. So that's the next step. We're going to add these in. So this is an integral ingredient of hummus when you're making this recipe. Okay, so that goes. Now if you just want plain hummus, this will be it. You just still gotta grind this and then it's done. But what we're doing is we're making some red pepper hummus. So there's gonna be further steps. So we are using this jar of roasted red pepper, and when you see it on flat on a plate, it looks something like this. So we have 2 large pieces of these roasted red peppers. Okay, so these are the roasted red peppers going inside. Now if you don't have these available, you can get a red pepper and just roast it until it kind of gets charred, and then you can use it. So if you don't have it, then that's a work around that. Now we're just gonna close this up and go for a second blend. This is getting close to the end now. Okay, so that's being grinded. And just showing you how that kind of looks like. That's that. Now, oh, that smells wonderful. Can't wait to have that. And I think with the roasted red peppers, this is gonna give it another zip to the taste. I love hummus on its own, but sometimes when you blend it with something like additional, an ingredient that is so potent like this one, fantastic.